Now, Kat, I know we're laughing about it now, but have you ever cracked your screen before?
I have. And it wasn't even such a big crack. It was a chip at the corner, and that just devastated my heart. I was like, oh, no, I can't use my phone.
Listen, I have walked around with a broken phone for a long time, but you know what? You no longer have to walk around with a busted phone or a cracked screen because you're going to love this.
Yeah.
Samsung is running their superior service campaign yet again, which means that if your smartphone has an out-of-warranty defect and needs a little fixing, then you can go and get it repaired at massively reduced costs. You will also enjoy no labor costs and these repairs, and free software updates will happen on all Samsung handsets.
I can imagine.
How cool is that?
Everyone at home is like, tell us more. Okay, I'll tell you more. Now, we all know how heavy those repair costs can be. So if your phone needs some TLC, then now is your chance. The service will be running from today until Monday, the 2nd of October, and will be available at participating Samsung Premium customer service centers. So to find out where your nearest center is and which out-of-warranty handsets are applicable, you can visit Samsung's website at samsung.com/ZA/support. Do it now!